We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hello, this is Chris from Onyx. In this video I'll show you how to clear a paper jam on your OKI MB562 printer and how to avoid jams from happening in the first place. This printer has only 3 possible locations where paper can get jammed: the output tray, the rear access cover, and the paper trays. Let's check them out one by one. First, look at the output tray where the paper comes out of the printer. Take the lid, lift this up. If you see any paper stuck here, gently pull it out and discard it. If the output tray is clear, close the lid and move on to the next step. Next, check the rear cover at the back of the printer. To open this cover, use the handle on the back and pull it gently. To release the paper jam, look for any paper stuck inside and pull it out. If you do not find any paper, close the hatch and move on to the next step. Finally, check the paper tray at the bottom of the printer. Open it and look for any jammed paper. If you find any, remove them carefully and make sure the paper is loaded correctly. Then close the tray back into its place and do this with the other tray if you have more than one. There are 2 additional places that you can get paper jammed. In here, I'm going to lift our drum and cartridge out. If you see any paper in here, just pull it out. And then slide this back in. Remember, if you're having any issues with your rear access cover, you can also open this up to see if there's anything jammed in here. That's it, you've successfully cleared your paper jam. But how can you prevent paper jams from happening in the first place? Here are some tips to help you out. One of the causes of paper jams is the paper tray settings. To check them, pull out the paper tray and adjust the glue tabs to fit the paper size you're using. Make sure the tabs are locked into place. The tabs can be moved to print different types of paper, such as envelopes, cards, and more. But don't go past the max indicator areas on the tabs or your printer may jam. Another cause is the paper alignment. Sometimes the paper in the tray is not aligned properly, or the new paper is not mixed with the old one. This can cause the paper to feed unevenly or stick together. To prevent this, take out all of the paper from the paper tray and put them together with your new paper. You're going to fan out the pages to remove any condensation that might make the pages stick together. Next, you're going to align the pages so that they are even on all sides. Finally, you're going to put the paper back in the tray and make sure it's not too loose or too tight. These steps will help you eliminate some of the paper jams, but not all of them. If you still have frequent paper jams, it may be time to service your printer. Thank you for watching and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.